Meet our Lamzac the original. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to inflate. Why is there a guy with a banana waving the Lamzac? And a giant industrial fan? Just kidding. Here's how it works. First of all, take your Lamzac out of its bag and roll it out before you inflate it. The Lamzac consists of two compartments that need to be filled separately. Let's start with compartment 1. Whatever you do, be sure to fill the Lamzac in a straight line. Stay low if you're a beginner, or go pro like this guy once you've gotten the hang of it. It's important that you close the compartment as soon as you finish scooping up the air, and do the same thing for compartment 2. When you're finished, wrap up the closure as tight as you can. It usually takes about 4 wraps. To finish it all off, bend the closure and click the two ends together. That's it, you're all set. Oh, and as you lay it down, make sure that the Lamzac logo is on top. The seam on the bottom is a lot deeper, so the top part feels more comfortable to lie down on. Doesn't it look comfortable? So remember, the Lamzac has 2 separate compartments. Be sure to fill it in a straight line. Close the compartment as soon as you finish scooping up the air, and make sure the logo is on top when you lay it down. Oh, and don't wave it around like a flag.